mind. Oh,
Hi guys, this is Techie by the Cuber and welcome back to my channel. So on Friday I posted a video about cubing and the structure of the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let's get on with today's video. So let's talk about the phone itself for a moment. The phone that I'm currently holding in my hand is my phone, and this is the Apple iPhone 6s with matte black skin on it, as you can see, and this is a life-proof fray case on it, which I guess you might find pretty bulky. Even I do. So let's get straight on it, guys. I hope you can see what is on the phone. I just get started with the setting first. So this device runs on iOS 11.2.2, as you can see right there, and Jio is the name of my carrier, and this is a 64GB model. So let's get to the first screen, which is the home screen. Over here I got the mail app, the calendar, the photos app, the camera app, maps, which I don't really use, the clock, weather, which is again something I don't use, and all the other, and a bunch of apps from Apple. So this is the second screen. Over here I have FaceTime. I don't know what this podcast app does, the Apple Watch app, the calculator, the Files app, WhatsApp, obviously, the Fitbit app, the Savan Music, the My Jio, which is a app for my carrier, Jio Music, which is also for my carrier, Hotstar, which is for TV shows, Amazon, obviously, Google, YouTube, Gboard, which is nothing but Google Keyboard, Flashscore.in, which is for tracking scores and everything, then Dubsmash, then I got Google Maps, I got Gmail, Flight Stats, and this TV app, which I'm not sure what it does. Then on the last home screen I have Flight Radar, Sports Direct, the Mebo app, which is for a remote controlled robot, Instagram, this Chow Timer, which is for cubing, the Share It app, so I can share stuff with my friends, Shazam, which is used for music, then the Starbucks India app, Wunderlist, Cozy Planning app, then Google Duo, Google Hangouts, Viber, Skype. This is Map My Ride by Under Armour. This is Road Bike by Runtastic, and this is Dropbox. Let me zoom out real quick. And beneath here we got this phone app, Safari, iMessage, and Apple Music app. So thank you guys for watching this video. Just to let you know, if you want to take a look at my setup / room tour thing, I do that when I hit 10 subscribers. Right now I believe I'm at 5 subscribers. So make me hit 10 subscribers and I'll give you a setup / room tour thing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.